Hey everyone, it's Dave with Alaskan Homesteading. I've got another sawmill video for you here on deck. I showed you getting this big 16-foot log on here with the tractor the other day, and now I'm going to start milling it. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to get out of it because, as I pointed out in the previous video, there's some imperfections, some defects in this log that are going to cause some of it to be a little bit of waste. That's okay. Log didn't cost me anything, so I'm going to just go ahead and get started cutting it down, and we'll see what we get out of it. So you've probably been watching me fussing around with the ruler and looking at this for a while in this in that time-lapse view. I've been trying to figure out exactly how to get the beams out of it that I want. For the chicken coop, I'm looking at a 16-foot long structure, and I want to put a couple of pretty substantial headers at the top. I'm going to do 3.5 by 6 inch, so I need 2 of those. So I first have to get a 7" by 6 section out of this cant, and I'm just looking at it and figuring out where the best section is that I can cut out of this particular cant, just given the condition of the wood and the shape of it and everything else. Well, that turned out all right. I ended up with two pretty nice 16-foot beams. They are 3.5 inches by 6, and what that really ends up looking like is something that'll fit in a 4x4 beam holder, right? The 3.5-inch width. So they'll be used in their vertical aspect, 6 inches tall. Don't worry about this stuff in the end because I cut this longer than 16 feet, so I have plenty of material I can remove from the end and still have a 16-foot length. But now these will be essentially the two headers for the front and back walls of the extremely overbuilt chicken coop. More to come. Okay, that's going to be all the time I have for today. I'm pretty happy with the milling that I got done. I got the two beams that I wanted, the two 3.5 by 6 inch beams that'll be the front and rear headers of the chicken coop. There's still some other wood left over that I can mill some 2x4s or some 1x material or whatever I need. I need to make some more girts for the woodshed so that I can tack up some siding. So I'll probably make some of those out of this, and who knows what else I'll get. At any rate, thanks for watching. If you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.